What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you think today's drones are impressive, just wait until you see what 2026 has in store. We're moving beyond simple flying cameras into an era of intelligent, autonomous robots that can see, think, and capture the world in ways that were pure science fiction just a few years ago. We're counting down the 10 most advanced drones you can get right now that genuinely feel like they're from the future. Let's get into the countdown. Let's start with number 10, DJI Mini 4 Pro. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Don't let its tiny, sub-250-gram weight fool you. This drone is a technological powerhouse packed into the most portable form factor possible. Its most futuristic feature is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Unlike older drones that only see forward and backward, the Mini 4 Pro uses sensors on all sides, front, back, sides, above, and below, to create a 3D bubble of awareness, allowing for incredibly smooth and safe automated flight modes like Active Track 360, where it can orbit a subject while dynamically avoiding any trees or obstacles in its path. It shoots stunning 4K HDR video and features a night mode that pulls clear footage out of near darkness. For its size, the level of intelligence and image quality it offers is nothing short of revolutionary, making advanced aerial cinematography accessible to literally everyone. Number 9. Autel Robotics Evio. Coming in at number 9 is the Autel Robotics Evio Lite Plus, a drone that stands as a brilliant alternative in a DJI-dominated world and brings its own set of incredible tech to the table. Its claim to fame is a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 6K cinematic video. But the real future feel comes from its 3-way obstacle avoidance system and the stunning Moonlight Algorithm 2.0. This feature is a game-changer for low-light photography, allowing the Evio Lite Plus to capture bright, detailed, and incredibly low-noise video and photos at night, rivaling what was only possible with much larger, more expensive drones just a year or two ago. With a 40-minute flight time and a transmission range that pushes over 7 miles, the Autel Evio Lite Plus is a powerful, intelligent flying camera that proves serious competition is alive and well. Lite Plus. Number 8. DJI Air 3. Landing at number 8 is the DJI Air 3, a drone that shatters the expectations for its class by featuring a dual-camera system. This is a first for the Air series and gives you the creative flexibility of 2 different perspectives in one compact body. You get a wide-angle 24mm camera and a medium telephoto 70mm camera, both using a top-tier 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and both capable of recording in stunning 4K 60 frames per second. This means you can get smooth, cinematic wide shots and then instantly switch to a compressed, flattering telephoto shot without ever moving the drone. Combined with DJI's latest O4 transmission system for crystal clear video feed at distances up to 12 miles and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Air 3 feels like a professional filmmaking tool that's been miraculously shrunk down into a consumer-friendly package. Number 7. Holy Stone HS720G. Securing the number 7 spot is the Holy Stone HS720G, a drone that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a taste of advanced features. For a budget-friendly price, this drone packs a serious punch with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera that delivers surprisingly stable footage. Its most futuristic feel for the price comes from its advanced GPS-assisted flight features. You get precise hovering, automatic return to home, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and custom waypoint flight planning, where you can simply draw a path on your smartphone app and the drone will autonomously follow it. The HS720G is a testament to how quickly technology trickles down, offering beginner and intermediate pilots a reliable, feature-packed flying experience that was exclusive to high-end models not long ago. Number 6. Ruko F11 GIM2. At number 6, we have the Ruko F11 GIM2, another outstanding value champion that brings professional-grade stabilization to the masses. The GIM, in its name, is the key. This drone features a true, 2-axis mechanical gimbal. While many budget drones rely solely on electronic stabilization, a mechanical gimbal physically keeps the camera level, resulting in buttery smooth, jello effect-free video that looks far more professional. Paired with a 4K camera, GPS auto-return, and an impressive 26-minute flight time per battery, the Ruko F11 GIM2 delivers a core professional feature at an accessible price point. It's a perfect example of how advanced imaging technology is becoming standard across all price tiers. Number 5. DJI Avata, a drone that offers a completely different, visceral, and futuristic flying experience. This isn't a camera drone, it's an FPV, first-person view, immersive flying machine. With the DJI goggles too, you see a stunning, low-latency, high-definition live feed from the drone's camera as if you were sitting in the cockpit. The feeling of putting on the goggles and flying through the air is unparalleled. But the true, future tech, here is its incredible safety and ease of use. Unlike traditional, hard-to-fly FPV drones, the Avata features DJI's robust propeller guards and an emergency brake and hover function. With the motion controller, you simply point your hand where you want to fly. It makes the intense world of FPV accessible and safe for anyone, offering an adrenaline-pumping glimpse into the future of personal flight. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus. It's a direct and powerful competitor to the DJI Mini series. Like the Mini 4 Pro, it's a sub-250-gram drone, but it distinguishes itself with a superior 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor co-developed with Sony, the RYYB color filter array. This advanced filter allows 50% more light to hit the sensor compared to traditional RGB arrays, resulting in exceptional color accuracy and performance in challenging lighting conditions. With three-way obstacle avoidance and a sleek, durable design, the EVO Nano Plus is a compact powerhouse. Its existence creates a healthy competition that drives innovation, giving pilots a fantastic, high-performance alternative that pushes the entire industry forward. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the ultimate all-in-one camera drone for serious creators. This is the drone that brought a triple camera system to the prosumer market, and it's a game-changer. It features a Hasselblad-branded 4/3-inch main sensor, a 70mm medium telephoto camera, and a whopping 166mm super telephoto lens. This means you can capture wide, cinematic landscapes, portrait-style shots, and extreme close-ups from a safe distance, all without changing lenses or drones. Coupled with DJI's most advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a 45-minute flight time, the Mavic 3 Pro is like having an entire film crew in your backpack. Its ability to intelligently track subjects while avoiding complex obstacles makes it feel less like a tool and more like a collaborative partner in filmmaking. Number 2. DJI Inspire 3. This isn't just a drone, it's a full-scale, professional aerial cinema system. Designed for Hollywood-level productions, its futuristic credentials are undeniable. It features a full-frame 8K camera capable of recording in Apple ProRes and Cinema DNG, a carbon fiber body that is both incredibly light and strong, and a transmission system that can send a 6G SDI signal to the ground. The most mind-blowing feature is its ability for the camera operator and pilot to work completely independently. The gimbal and camera can rotate 360 degrees uninterrupted while the pilot flies in any direction. With its sleek, transforming design that raises the landing gear automatically for unobstructed shooting, the Inspire 3 is the pinnacle of what's commercially available today, a true glimpse into the future of filmmaking. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. And finally, our number 1 pick for the most advanced drone that feels like the future might surprise you, but hear me out, the DJI Mini 2. Why? Because it represents the complete democratization of advanced flight technology. While newer models have more sensors, the Mini 2's magic is in its perfect balance of accessibility, capability, and price. It took the revolutionary portability of the original Mavic Mini and supercharged it with DJI's robust OcuSync 2.0 transmission, providing a stable, long-range HD video feed that was previously exclusive to much more expensive drones. It shoots sharp 4K video, features GPS-based flight smarts like precise hovering and return to home, and can handle winds that would blow other tiny drones away. The Mini 2 isn't the most advanced on paper in 2025, but its impact and the fact that you can buy this incredibly capable, intelligent flying camera for a few $100s is the most futuristic concept of all. It put the future of aerial photography into millions of hands, and for that, it remains a timeless icon.